Hi, I'm Natasha.
And I'm Julianna.
Come and watch us make some healthy eats.
Inspired by our favorite films and television shows. Welcome to Cinema
And Spice.
Today we have our Monsters, Inc. Very Scary Monster Nails. A key ingredient in a great Monsters University costume is
Monsters, Inc. nails!
And they're scarily easy, so let's get started. Start with clean, dry nails. Apply a base coat and let dry. Next, paint 1 finger bright green for Mike Wazowski and 4 fingers bright blue for Sully. Once the base colors are dry, use a nail art pen in purple to draw dots on your Sully nails. If you don't have a nail art pen, you can use purple polish and a toothpick. Now on to Mike. Use a whole reinforcement sticker from the office supply store to make a perfect white circle. Once the circle is dried, use a toothpick and black nail polish to finish the eye. Coat your nails with a clear top coat and you're all ready to scare your friends with your frighteningly cute nails. That's it! Monsters, Inc. nails! Woo! Rah! See you next time on Cinema and Spice.